Hi everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul, and there is some amazing craft book finds that I have not seen before that are brand new, some really good storage options in unusual places in the store for your crafting needs, and yeah, lots of cool stuff. Hi, if you're new here, this channel is all about stretching your craft dollar and learning how to be affordably crafty. My name's Kim. Welcome back to my returning subscribers. Please hit the like button, thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell because I have deal alerts that I put up and you don't want to miss those. I also do crafting DIY. Right now I'm in the middle of Yarny Yule Summer Edition, which is a month-long feature. And as of late, for a while now, I've been doing at least a video a day. So there's lots of content. Alright, so let's get into this haul. And where should I start? I went to one Dollar Tree. So this was one of the Crafter's Square Dollar Trees that's over 12,000 square feet. Ooh! Some storage options. So, I like to look in different parts of the store besides the craft aisle for storage. And I saw a new bin to me in the hardware section. So they do have a very small, it's like this big thing in the crafting section for like beads, and it's only like maybe that deep. But this is the one I found in the hardware section. Look how deep that is. It's nice sturdy plastic, and look at the amount of bins that are in there. If you can see that. Maybe that's better. Oh, that's better. So as you can see, you have a couple of big ones, and then 4, 5, 6 that are the same size, and then you have this one. So, and again, it's pretty deep. So I was very happy with this. I picked up 2 of these. I hadn't seen these before. Maybe I'll put my stitch markers in one of these, or I'm working on making my own stitch markers, so maybe I'll set one of these up for that task. Then I also picked up some alphabet beads. I have been working on making, and I will show you guys, with these, they're called bulb pins. I got them at Hobby Lobby. So they look like, you cannot see that. They look like that, and if you open up the bottom, if I can get it open. If you open up the bottom, it's like a safety pin, but it's got a round thing. And what I've done, that I'm going to be sending in Happy Mail soon, I made a set of letter markers. So when you tuck stuff away in a project bag, you'll always know which hook you used on it, because I find that I forget that. Especially when I'm not using a pattern to make something, it's pretty important. And what I did is I put a bead. Let me take one of these off so you can actually see what it looks like. Hang tight. So I put a bead, the letter marker, and a bead. And so this is not really designed to move around a whole heck of a lot on the project. You just attach it on one of your first rows, and then you know what size hook you used. So that's why I think these bulb pins are great. I got them half off. I think for 100 it was like $2. And these are over with these, I think I got these in the Sewing Notions area. Don't quote me on that. And these beads I had gotten when AC Moore went out of business a while ago, but I mean, these will be just fine. So what I'm going to do is use this pillbox, which is a big pillbox I got in the health and beauty section, and I am going to start separating out my letters for the most popular hook sizes into this, so I can get set up kind of an assembly line to make some of these. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. Next, I got this cutting board that I found in red. I have not seen this in red before at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using this for a DIY, so that's coming up soon. But it's smaller. It doesn't have dimensions on here, of course. I don't have my tape measure with me. Trust me, it's smaller. Then I got 3 each of these microfiber facial pads. They had them in different colors this time that I haven't seen before. They had blue and this aqua, and I'm going to be doing a DIY with these as well. They were just the perfect color. Then they had some new pouches for notions. This one I really liked how it looked. It says the astrological signs on it with planets. And I like that it's a nice kind of neutral color. That's what inside looks like. And it's fabric. It's not that funny plasticky stuff sometimes they have. Then there was this one, which I really like because it has a wristlet. And it's got 2 zippers. So it's got this one, and then it has one in the front that's smaller. I'll also be using that as a notions bag probably. Now this is more of like a plastic coated fabric. It's not like that slippery fabric, it's different. So I hadn't seen either of those before at Dollar Tree. Then I also found some new tea. So I love the tea from the Dollar Tree. And there's 2 new kinds that I saw that I haven't seen before. So that was Teavive Vanilla Chai. And you get 20 in here. The really nice part about these Teavives is they're individually wrapped. So I will be probably doing some gifting ideas with this stuff as the holidays come closer. And then there also was blueberry and honey, which I think is awesome. And these are both black teas. I've been drinking their apple and cinnamon one for a while, and it's really good. Let's see, I finally found some of these larger glass gems. I've been looking for the larger size for a while now for a decor DIY. So I'm happy that I found those. And I also needed some magnetic buttons for a couple of things. This is the larger size. There's a smaller one that comes with, I think, 16, but I wanted the larger size for this project. Then they had some new sticky notes by Jot, and I really liked what it said. It's 75. These are 3 inches by 3.5 inches. Creativity takes courage. And I like the rainbow. I like just like the sentiment. I'm a big fan of that. Again, looking in odd places. So I found these over hanging with the Tupperware, not Tupperware, you know what I mean, the bins. And it's these patty paper squares. Now I like to use these, they're kind of like a wax paper type thing, but you get 100 squares in here for $1. And I like that you can just pull them out and they're already done. See, they're all cut already. And I like to use these from when I'm painting under a small project or to leave something to dry on for a while, so I'm not making my sheet pan dirty. There are lots of uses for this in the craft world, so I was happy to finally find these. And again, there's 100 in this package for $1, which I think is great. I also was looking for some holiday colored floral wire for a couple of projects, and they happened to have one in red when I was there today. So I did grab that. Seems like the red is hard to find, so I'm happy that there was one there. I also am thinking of a project I'm going to be working on in my daughter's room, and I needed a compass for it. So, of course, all I had to do was wait for back to school, and these came out. I got the green one, so it's easy for me to find. I'm not going to lose it. And there's also a protractor in there, which I'll probably use. Okay, I am going to try and make my own stamp. I haven't done that before. But they have these different erasers that I'm going to try and use to make a stamp out of. This could be great, or this could be a fail boat. We'll see how this works out. Don't worry, guys, I'll show you how it goes. But I like them because they're a little bit thicker than the regular erasers they have at Dollar Tree, and this is probably just there because the back to school stuff just came out. Now, what I have left is I have some name brand yarn, and then I have some crafting books. This video is going to be 2 parts. So please, like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out, and share with your friends so they can learn how to stretch their craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Have a creative day. See you tomorrow. Bye.